In front of me is Huawei Nova 11i, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this Huawei. Begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, tap on Storage section and click on Clean Up. Now you need to choose Clean next to Junk Files. Wait couple of seconds, and as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!